Now I want to calculate total quantities from column K with the help of sum function. These values are quantities that is purchased by customer. It is easy to calculate the sum of quantity. So active a cell J35 in formulas tab, click insert function. Select the sum function from the list, click OK. The function arguments dialog box open. Select the values from column K. Click OK. You have a result. But in column K you can see there are quantity values. There are not price value. So format this cell, active cell J35, click Home tab. In number group, click this arrow button. You have many options here. Click Journal button. You can see in cell J35, 65 is a number. So 65 quantities are sold on 19 November 2018.